In this video, we are going to see how we can block the links that sometimes people post in the comment section that might be harmful, that might be a virus, or that might be a scam website. So if you want to prevent the people from posting all the links and you want your YouTube channel to automatically block those links in the video comments, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just head over to the YouTube studio, and from here we click on the settings, and here we click on community moderation right here, and here you can see link text. Hold comments with hashtag and URL for review. So it will not block it completely, so that you should be able to see what that URL is about. If you find it suitable, then you allow that separately to be posted. Otherwise, it will hold all those comments. Click on save, and that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.